Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing another food review for you. And today my intention is to do a Subway. I'm going to get a large Caesar salad wrap as a meal deal with Coke and Vickies and what have you. And I did try to book it on the app, but unfortunately the app allows me to put the order together, but it won't let it go to the cart, so therefore I can't buy it. So I'm going to have to go inside to Subway and resolve the issue, I hope. I did uninstall the app, turn the phone off, turn it back on again, reinstalled a new app, and still can't do it. So we'll see what they have to say inside. So I'll swing back to you.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Hello.
Is the manager available?
Yeah, how can I help you?
I can't get my app to work.
Your app?
Yeah, your app. Like, I can put the order together, as I have done there. So that's my order.
Mm-hmm.
And it says, you know, turn in a big deal. Yep, yes. Then go to that. And then it asks for, that's the Coke I want. Then choose the size, cookies, and I went, chocky chippy. And then add to cart, and that's where it stops. I uninstalled it, turned the phone off, turned it back on, reinstalled it.
Okay. So you've got to choose your second cookie.
Oh. I just wanted two of them. Two of the same.
Yeah, because you have to choose each one. It's okay. There we go.
Okay,
now it'll
thank
work.
you. All right.
It'll come, if you put it through, it'll come through.
Yeah, I'll organise it now. Right, Julie? Right. Picked the order up, sorted out the app, and heading back to the car. So, hang about. I'll be with you shortly. Well, here we are. Back in the car. And, hang on. It's Madam Seafood, 12-inch. I think she's been very optimistic. For my order. There's my large wrap. Supposed to be chicken Caesar salad. And made 2 cookies. And serviettes. And a Coke. Jade Coke. No sugar. Don't understand the jade, but anyway, there's my 300 ml Coke, and that all came to both orders. My order for the wrap, $23.30 for my wrap combo with the Coke Zero and 2 chocolate chip cookies. So yeah, $23. The seafood sensation 12-inch, which my wife ordered, for $17.90, and that was a combo too. So it's a wee bit cheaper for some reason. But anyway, well, let's go with it. So I'll find that out of here. We'll have a look at the star of the show, which is this thing. She's pretty weighty. And let's have a bo peep inside. And then leave it wrapped up to a large extent, because I can see it's going to go everywhere. Now, sticking its head out. And there is the chicken in there. Hang on. I'll get you to have a look. There's the chicken inside the wrap. And so a bit of, I've got some bacon. No, I'm going to have to unwrap this. Take a risk. There's a shredded chicken. You can see it. Shredded chicken. Shredded chicken. There's an egg. There's some onion, some bacon, and there's another part of the egg. Onion, lettuce, and cucumber. Or gherkins, what do you want to call it? So, put this back together again. Not a wrapper, re-wrapper. But anyway, so let's have a pretty full. So, I'm going to crack on with this. And when I finish demolishing it, I'll come back to you. Okay, I'm going to have my chocolate chip cookie. Not bad. Now I'm going to have the single chocolate one. The other one was double chocolate. This one's a single chocolate. That one's softer. Well, wash this down. Right. Well, what can I say? I'm pretty sure that Subway have always had a Caesar salad wrap, as they have had a Caesar salad roll. My understanding, from what I saw on the ad on TV as well as on the app, that it wasn't shredded chicken. Because they've introduced a rotisserie line, and they're advertising this app, which I've just had now, as being a new addition. Well, it's not. And it certainly didn't have rotisserie chicken in it. It had shredded chicken in it. Bit disappointing there. So, I must admit, there's plenty of wrap. It was huge. And note to myself, in the future, I don't think I have the large one. I think I'll just go for the small one. I struggled to get through it. Messy, so I bought half of it. I knew I shouldn't have unwrapped it. Like I said, disappointed the fact that they had shredded chicken in it instead of the implied roast chicken. So, what did I say? It cost me $23. Yeah, well, I must admit, much as there are some negatives about the chemicals and additives to the rolls and the processed meat and what have you, I still think it may be a bit better than, in fact, I'd go to say it's certainly better than McDonald's. So, what sort of score would I give it? I think I'll give it 3 stars out of 5. Disappointment was the shredded chicken instead of the rotisserie chicken that I was led to believe was going to be put in it. And yeah, it's just it was nice, but it didn't tick all the boxes. So I'll stick to the 3 out of 5. Also note to self in future, I won't unwrap it to have a good look, because that's where I think we went wrong. I unwrapped it and it leaked. So yeah. Anyway, on that note, don't forget, we need you to leave a comment down below and hit the subscribe button and the like button, and share this video with family and friends or anyone else that you think might be interested in it. I'm quite happy to have, in comparison, I think, it's not a bad product. Wouldn't want to be in America. They've got all sorts of problems with Subway over there. Apparently 631 stores are closed this year, so that's a lot of stores. Anyway, I'm going to bid you adieu. Don't forget, as I said, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button and the like button, and share this with family and friends. And you take care, because we care, and we want to see you back here to see the next video that I produce on White Rabbit. Thank you. Take care.